Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nick here with Raw Day Trading, and today we have an okay green day, up 514 after expenses, 566 before expenses, with 225 orders and a decent amount of shares traded. It was a little bit of a boring day, although I had a lot of orders. A lot of it was just attempting to make things work when it was not going, and just trying a couple times, stopping out for small wins or small losses when I saw it wasn't going the direction I wanted it to. So without further ado, let's review some stuff here. I still have my trading station up, but I don't think we're going to need this. Let's log that out. And then we're going to go to the videos. I had a breakup with a girlfriend, my girlfriend, who's now my ex-girlfriend, yesterday / over the weekend. And, this is the wrong video, but it's an interesting one too. Probably going to delete that. Okay. But, so I was just curious to see if it would affect me, but I think I managed it pretty well. Just something to be aware of. Make sure outside emotions don't change the way you trade. You really want your trading to be determined by the mechanics of the market, not by your emotions. And yeah, okay. So getting into it, the two things I had on watch were SINT and INBS. INBS, I really thought it was going to catch some fire here. It did get a little bit of action into the open, popping up. And then SINT, I caught a little bit on this first candle, just out of the open in that first 1 minute. But nothing crazy. I think I did trade with 2,000 shares, which is a pretty decent size for this 12K position or whatever. But it was only a small win. Saw something I liked on the tape, got filled at an amazing price on the entry and on the exit. Yeah, just really nice fills there. The bid and the ask were not reflecting what was actually going on. INBS out of the open wasn't much. Came up here, started moving. I started trading it heavily, thinking it was going to go. It was actually the only stock that I did well on, and I ended up losing on this other one, BMLZ, which is a continuation from the other day, pretty harshly. I was down like $200 until later in the day, but at the same time, I was up on INBS a good amount, and I think I do bring INBS back. Yeah, okay, so INBS starts making a curl here. Let's see if we can catch some trades. I'm getting in for that curl. It's looking good. I'm looking at the indicators. Everything that I look at looks nice. Actually, I'm down on the day right now on this, but it does keep moving higher. Zoom in on it. I keep trading it here. This one has spurts of like really crazy volatility, and I'm trying to catch it on the upside and try to avoid the downside of it. So that means I was like kind of testing the waters here and there. So I didn't make much on this first push. I made a couple dollars right there, and then I made the rest on the push up to here, I believe. Where does my P&L? Yeah, I don't make any there, which is unfortunate. I wonder what went on there. Okay, so it's pushing through 75. Oh, and I keep messing around with BLMZ. It keeps distracting me because this pattern right here is looking promising, and it wasn't promising. It really just got pinned up here until the close of the hour. I was looking at the charts earlier. But I was bouncing in between this one and this one, and I kind of lost money on BLMZ, and I kind of botched INBS because I was always one step ahead of it or behind it, and because I wasn't totally zoned in on it. And so I'm buying at 80, 86, and then I'm just like, I'm going to sell immediately because I'm so high. And of course, the danger up there after having moved 20 cents off the lows there already, and being like the fifth green candle and it not totally opening up and being like a runaway with lots of resistance points. I'm just like, like that shit happens right there. And so, I actually want to go see that last trade. I didn't quite watch it because I was talking. So what happens? It comes down 8.3. I get a nice fill there. It looks like it's holding. I cut it 82. Huh. All right, that was normal. But yeah, it was an overreach. The entry was down right here at 2.7 on this candle right here. And now it's just like, maybe. Keeps going though. I keep trading it way too high. And then I end up making a decent amount of money as it went up to 3. Let's watch this. I want to watch this one candle here, because this is where I made half of the money today, I think. Yeah. It's like third time's the charm at the attempt of the highs here. Sketchy. But it's holding and now it's higher. I'm like, chase, cut. There it is. That was the trade right there. That break through 90 up to 3 or 89. What was that? Am I watching the right chart? What the fuck happened there? Yeah. Okay, yeah. That break up to 3 right there. Yep. And then that put me up half of what I made today. And it kind of just faded from there, honestly. I played it a little bit on the backside, but if you see here, I'll just zoom it up. And yeah, I'm just like trading the high hopes and expectations of it, not really making much money, not seeing much. I think I was up 200 or 300 for a while. Yeah, that's how I had a dentist appointment too this morning. That was it. Yep. And then I went out for a dentist, came back, and then BLMZ. This is late in the day. BLMZ starts moving again. Let's see where I start trading it. Yeah, don't do much there. Actually lose a little money there. I kind of just let the video run because I was out messing around. I keep setting alerts too. Just I'll come back and pay attention if it pops above a level. And then here is kind of where I start to trade it again. Alert fires. I think I'm on my phone with my buddy at the same time too, so I'm like kind of uninvested in trading it, but there are some there's some action that I recognize, and I think that's an important factor. Is like if you recognize something, recognize a pattern that you are familiar with and you've had success with in the past, it might behoove you to take it again, as long as it continues working out. I make a couple bucks there. And as this trading gets lower and lower volume, as you can see here, the volume's super low. That last candle was just 100,000. 5-minute candles under 250,000. Super low volume stuff. But what I will say is it had been holding up sideways for all day, and it was a continuation. And it wasn't just this day that it was going. It was holding within range of the last day's trading and still holding up today. And because of that, I still had my eye on it, and especially because nothing else was moving, nothing was going on. This was what I was looking at for a mover. So there we go. Got a couple trades off right there. Let's see here, just fast forward this a little bit. Yeah, and this got me back to break even on this name, which got me up over 400 on the day, and then I think I made another $100 on another trade, and yeah, started a trend in one direction. I took some trades. I saw some stuff that I recognized in the mix, and voila, that was the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Day trading is risky. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. For myself and for others who would like to watch along, this is not investment advice. Please contact your investment advisor. Day trading is risky. Most day traders lose some or all of their capital. Anyways, nice talking to you guys. Have a great day.